Rainy today. Started around 3:30 in the morning, just kind of kept going. It's not too bad right now, a little bit of a break. The wind is pretty windy. We got a massive day on the lake today. Huge portage. Not gonna be very fun. I'm gonna try and set up a little shelter or something so we can cook. See how it goes from there.
So we've just set off from our third camp and we're going to paddle across 3 Mile Lake and head into Manitou Lake, and there's a rather large 2.8 kilometer portage between here and Manitou, so that's going to be fun, but fortunately our food bag is a lot lighter now, and as you can see, it's not a very nice day. It's windy, very windy and rainy, so we're just gonna try and power through today. How you feeling, hon?
Wet and cold.
Wet and cold. Feels like my mother's house. Here's the portage, 3 Mile Lake to Manitou. This was quite hard to see from the lake, this sign, especially on a Welsh summer day like this, but it's on this kind of down tree. Putting on lots of bug juice before we go through this 3k portage, 2.8k, because the mosquitoes are pretty bad when you get in the deep woods. So this is the portage between 3 Mile Lake and Manitou, and as you can see, it's just basically like an old logging road, so really easy to walk along, which is great news because it's pretty long.
Rain dance?
Rain dance! Hey. So this is towards the end of the portage between 3 Mile and Manitou, and you can see if you look up the hill, it's pretty steep. We're coming down it, and Jeffrey had a bit of a bailout.
Slid right out.
Slid on his ass.
With the canoe on me.
So the leaves and the rocks are pretty slippery, so we're gonna double back, leave the canoe, take the gear, and then come back and get the canoe now.
Back down this hill. Completed the portage, and the skies have opened up, and it doesn't look like it's gonna slow down. Easy.
The second tough mud I've done in my life.
There's a campsite about 2 kilometers down from here.
Yeah.
I think maybe if we have to stop, we can stop again there.
Yeah, because we might have to empty the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I just want to kind of turn you so I can push out this way.
Monsoon season on the lake. Well, do you want to go? Jeff, there's a rock right in front of us. Oh, sorry.
I didn't tell you about brakes.
Sorry, they're lily pads. Where's the campsite?
Like this coastline.
This coast? This
yeah.
shore? Okay.
I think it's on the other side of that, whatever, the tornado thing.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay. Well, at least it's not windy. Okay, how do you want to do this? We're going straight into the rocks. Right?
It's 12:44 in the afternoon. We got forced off the lake on Manitou because it was just hammering down, wasn't it?
It was whitecaps, tidal, and big waves. So we came to this camp real quick and set up the tent as fast as we
First
could.
camp we found.
First camp, and put some dry clothes on, and now we're gonna wait it out. Just had some lunch. Wait it out, see if the weather clears. If it doesn't, then this is where we are for the night. So we're still in the tent, which means we're staying here the night, and just gonna play some games and read our books. And
What time is it?
What time is it? I don't know. It doesn't have the time on here.
It's 20 past 4, so we've been in
20
here
past
for
Almost
4.5 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
Yeah.
It's still raining.
Yeah. But we did bring this, so any outdoor travelers there, if you're thinking about bringing a game. So Jeffrey and I, we really like board games, but this Hive Pocket is the best game for traveling. This game has been to more countries than I can even count. Right? It's been around the world a few times. It's like completely waterproof. They're just these little tiles. It's kind of like a chess game, like a fancy version of chess, but with bugs. Who doesn't love bugs when they're camping? So Jeffrey's gonna beat me at a few more rounds of this.
Yay!
Update, don't bring Hive. This game sucks. Bring Monopoly. If you have room for Monopoly, bring that. Don't bring this.
It's a friendlier game, Monopoly. Hey Emma.
Hey.
How you doing?
What? Do you know what's for dinner tonight?
Yes, please.
Okay, it's actually my favorite one. It's tofu and Thai noodle curry soup. So it's got tofu's in there, lots of vegetables, and I dehydrate all my own Thai green chilies and then put them in the Vitamix, and they make like a Thai green chili powder. So those are in there, and coconut milk and rice noodles, and it's really warm and comforting, which is what we need right now.
Yeah, totally. Welcome back to Emma's Country Cooking.
Backcountry.
Backcountry cooking.
Dump it all in.
In goes the stuff.
Oh, but don't dump that in.
Oh,
You don't want that.
oh, the moisture packet thing.
Okay. You don't want that going in.
No.
stir. And now just leave it for 15 minutes. And we're done. So here we go. This is a big pot of food. Lovely.
Wow, that's
Okay.
good. And noodles. Focus
got-
on the noodles.
You got lots of noodles. Good job, hon.
Good enough.
And now we're gonna retreat to our tent until tomorrow.
So it's 7:30 in the morning, Tuesday. We're still on Manitou Island.
Manitou Lake.
Manitou Lake?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And it's not raining anymore, which is good, but it's mega windy, which is bad. The lake is gnarly right now.
Do you do a shot? Show the
Yeah,
weather?
let's see.
Take a peek.
Pretty choppy, pretty windy, foggy, a little bit rainy. It's not a nice day. Right now, we got 3 options. What are your options, Emma?
We either stay here until it clears up, which maybe it'll clear up this afternoon. That was the original forecast. If not, then we're staying here another night. That's option 1. Option 2 is pretty much the same as option 1. Wait for it to clear a little bit and then we can paddle on to maybe North T Lake, but right now it doesn't look like that is going to be an option. Option 3 is we try and paddle all the way out, but that is probably too sketchy in this.
It's gonna be freezing and it'll be a little dangerous.
So yeah, we basically just have to wait it out here.
We got lots of food.
We've got plenty of food. The good thing is I overpack on food all the time, and this is one of the reasons why. So we're not short on food. We've got water and we're pretty cozy here. We got books and games and yeah.
You don't like the game anymore.
I don't like the game anymore because he beats me too easy.
But we're warm and we're dry and we
Yeah.
have food, which is important.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll give another update, I guess, when
there's an update.
when there's an update.
We're on the move. What's the time, hon?
It's 10:30.
10:30, and we think we're gonna make a break for it.
We
See how
think
far we get anyway.
we're gonna try and go all the way out. It's about 16.5 kilometers.
And if not,
If not, then we're just gonna pick a
bail on
campsite and
North T Lake.
take another night on the lake in the woods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick shout out to Mac here as well. These dry bags, they were pretty cheap. 55-liter dry bag, maybe $12 each. Absolute miracle workers. They have been swimming in the boat and everything inside is dry. Well worth the money. Compared to our food bag over there, the yellow one, which we got on Amazon, that was about $80 odd, and everything in there is soaked. So do not recommend, absolutely recommend. And that, my friends, is the fastest we have ever packed up camp. Jeffrey's untying the canoe that he tied a leash to last night because the wind was so strong. He was worried that the canoe was gonna blow away, that we'd be really stuck.
Yeah.
Feeling fit?
See how far we get. I think we can do it, but it's interesting out there.
We can do it.
I think we can.
We can do it. Also, super positive review for this map holder by AquaQuest. Amazon purchase, but I think Mac also sells them. This map was literally floating in the lake last night because we left it tied to the canoe, and it is still bone dry. Amazing. And we're off! Woo! You wanna sing?
No.
There once was a ship that went to sea. You can see there's two other camps. One on that island and one on that island there. It looked like they bailed yesterday too, and they haven't moved yet. So I think we're the first ones out on the water trying to brave this. Hopefully we're inspiring. So we're just doing the portage between Manitou and 3 Mile Lake. No, that's not it. Manitou and North T Lake. The original plan was to do the longer portage, which has rapids on it, which is supposed to be really pretty. But given the weather today, we're doing the shorter one just to get out a bit faster.
Tandem, say hi, Emma.
Hi, Emma. Echo.
Echo. Ow. So we dumped the canoe halfway through the portage because I just couldn't be bothered. My shoulders and neck were killing me and I'm done. So we just brought the bags and now we came back to tandem the canoe the rest of the way. Shouldn't be much of a challenge after this. This is probably the longest portage for the rest of the day.
You just needed some girlfriend muscle to help.
Yeah, needed some lady muscle. Mosquito?
On my face. Sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, it was chewing my cheek.
Oh no.
And I didn't have a hand free. There was a lot of swearing then, so you have to bleep that out.
Yeah, we've made it to North T Lake and you can see it is so calm and beautiful over here. And it's just
beautiful. It's calm.
410 meters that way is gnarly. This way, it's like a Sunday park. How you feeling, Emma?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good.
You feeling fit? You ready for the big push?
Yeah.
All right.
McDonald's, here we come.
Okay. There's so many sponsors in this. Holy. Yeah, I thought to find a good spot for my boat. I wasn't looking where I was going. All right, we made it out of North T Lake. Just finished the portage onto the river. That's going to take us onto the Kawawaymog lake, and then I'm at the car. It's going to be home stretch right now. Say hi, Emma.
front of us. Yeah, you can go left. Yeah, lovely, lovely, jubbly.
Last leg of the journey, and it is absolutely beautiful right now.
Home
Look at the sun.
stretch. And yeah, it's turning out to be a beautiful day.
Can't believe it. I thought we were gonna spend another night in that crappy camp of Manitou. Hey Emma,
Hi.
where are you?
At the access point on Kawawaymog again.
Made it.
Yeah.
That last stretch was brutal though, eh?
Pretty bad crosswind coming across this lake.
Yeah, it fought us the whole time.
Yeah, I was fighting the whole way. Pretty sore, hungry, tired,
Yeah.
dirty, ready for a hot shower and some cheeseburgers.
3:45, but we made it out in one day. We didn't have to spend another night out there. That was good.
That was good. Who knows where we're sleeping tonight though, if we make it home.
No, we're both pretty beat. Loading up the car. All our gear is absolutely stinking, soaking, smells. We
But
smell.
overall, good trip.
Yes.
Yeah, still a good trip.
Still had a good time. What an adventure. Yeah.